It looks like some kind of psychedelic place. Welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage, and welcome back to the story of the 1969 Ford F100 that we pulled out of the farmer's field just a few short months ago. We've been working really hard on this thing, and my name is Mike, so if this is your first time stopping by our channel, we work on trucks like this. We work on old trucks, we work on new trucks, we work on Toyota trucks and Jeeps. Anything that has a motor, you never really know what we're gonna drag in. And we like to share that with y'all. So me and Caleb have worked on this truck all winter long. We're getting it to the point of putting some color on it. So in this video, this truck's gonna have some color. We've been working on those rear fenders. We've been trying to get some pieces cut and welded in, and we cheated a little bit. And we used a little bit of fiberglass cloth, but we got them looking really good. So let's stop talking. Let's get to work on this 1969 Ford F100 and get something done.
With liquid hot magma.
We told you we wasn't going to make another video until we had some color on this truck. And our step right now is to get the underside of this hood all primered in. It's pretty rough under here, and it just take a long time to try to make it look like something. So what we're going to do is we're going to build it up with a little bit of primer, maybe 3 or 4 coats, and we're going to get it sprayed in there. We're going to get it looking good, and then we'll get some color on the underside of this hood next. So let's hop to it and get to priming. we kind of wanted to give you an update of where we're at. Check out the hood. We fixed all of the spots. We primed everything up. We blocked it all down. We fixed some more spots. We primed it again. Then we blocked it down with 400. Then we found a couple more spots. So we got that primed. The hood is getting really close. We've been working on the bed fenders really hard too, and they needed a lot of work, welding some pieces in, just 50 years worth of dents. They're looking a lot better. We got the steps fitting perfectly. Everything is looking really good on the bed. Just a little more work on those fenders and that'll be ready. We worked really hard on these doors. We got the outside looking good. We trimmed them all out. We got everything primed up and that's looking really good. We got the inside all primed up. Inside of the door over there. We figured out how to mount our fuel tank and get that all set up. We just got through blocking the roof down and found just a couple of little low spots. So we filled those in. Everything has been blocked down. The cowl has even been primed. It is the next day here and we completely transformed the shop into a plastic wonderland of a paint booth. We've got our hood and our two doors in the shop here. We just can't get over how good all this looks. So we're gonna go ahead and clean everything really good. And I scuffed and sanded most of it up. Worked a little bit on seam sealing up that hood, trying to get everything looking really good before we put some paint on it. And if this booth works out good, we're gonna pull the truck in and we're gonna paint all the inside of it. But I think that we'll probably still take it up to the booth after that and paint the rest of the truck. So let's stop talking about it. Let's get the Kiwami out and let's get some paint mixed up and get these parts painted, put some clear coat on it and see how it all looks. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we've been working on this truck and we got it in the makeshift paint booth. We're ready to spray some paint. It's a little bit dark in there, but what we want to do is we want to get the inside of this thing painted and a couple of these pieces like the steering column and just the dash and the ashtray. Some of that stuff, hopefully it goes okay. We got the booth set up, we got it turned on, we got the ventilation going. So let's stop talking about it. Let's get this Iwata Kiwami out. Let's put some spruce mica inside the cab of this truck. Well, it is the next day here, and I think that job went really, really well. The makeshift DIY paint booth, it worked really good. We could probably stand to get a little more powerful fan to go in the window to kind of suck everything out. But it worked really, really well. We fought a little bit with the water in the hoses. But let's look it over good, pull it out in the sun, and kind of see how it all looks. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we got the spruce mica all trimmed out on this truck. It's looking 100% amazing. This color is beautiful. It flops golden in the sun and it looks like a deep black in low light. It's a beautiful color. Everything is trimmed out. The next video, we're gonna get the truck cab into the booth and get the outside of it painted. We spent a good amount of time just getting the fenders and the hood kind of lined up like it should be. Everything's looking really good, just super excited with how well this truck is coming together. We do appreciate each and every one of you A special thanks to all the subscribers. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time with this 1969 in the paint booth. We're out.